Very good evening, ma'am. Thanks to give me the opportunity. Today I'm going to give presentation on AI-driven threat detection and response system. Firstly, we discuss of the overview of the presentation. So we will see, we will discuss the design of incident response of playbooks. Second, we will discuss on implementation of backup and recovery plans. And third, uh, we will discuss on the review of AI API security, and also we ensure the security of API designing and implementation. And fourth, we will discuss on firewalls and its rules. And fifth, we will discuss on the monitor system of health. And sixth, we will discuss on the deployment of the compliance and documents. And seventh, we will discuss on the you gather user feedback. In that, I have made a Google form to collect the user feedback of the system performance. And eighth, we will discuss on the research of AI advantage and the stay update on the uh, advancement in AI and cybersecurity. So now we will discuss on the objectives of our works. And first, I created the incident response playbook to standardize the response and minimize the impact of the security threats. And also, I considered the speed recovery of these compromised systems. And also, in that, we will consider the improvisation of communications between teams. And second, we do regular backup of data, and also in that we consider the quick recovery plans and the that maintain the meet compliance standards. And and uh, and third point too, in that I designed and implement secure API to protect the data and the privacy. And I used best practice in API security to authentication, encryptions, and the input validations. And for point, we will see the basic firewalls used to control the traffics and enhance the network security by enforcing policies and maintain the optimal network performance. So, and fifth, we'll see we will monitor the health of the system, and also we will uh, monitor the performance of the systems. And sixth, we in that I uh, in that I ensure the compliance with the relevant regulation and standard by the providing clear documentations of audit. And in that, I also considers the identifying the gaps and improvement of the security and of data protection and the risk assessment and management practices. And in second point, in that I got I got uh, feedback from the users via a Google form about this system performance, identify the area of issues, and gather information regarding the system performance. So it will help in the future to maintain and update the system performance. And last, in that I understand the basics of AI in cybersecurity, and also I identify the key of AI tools and the techniques for threat detection and prevention, and also I evaluate their benefits and challenges. Next point, assign tasks. In backup, in a previous we decided the assigned tasks. So we move forward to task details. First, create a playbook for different types of incident. So in that I create a playbook for common attacks like malware, phishing, uh, DOS attacks, insider threat, and the trojans and etc. In that, I define the roles and using tools like SIEM and EDR for effective response. Second text, I got to set up a backup systems and disaster recovery plans. In that, I have successfully implemented the backup and disaster recovery plans, including data identification, backup solution, and strategy of development, testing, and communication protocols. In third task, ensure the API designing and implementations, and in that, review the API security by evaluating the authentication, encryptions, and input validations. And also, I consider the data exposures and error handling, and rate limiting and testing, and provide a report with a recommendation and the action plans. And fourth, evaluate firewall rules, reviewing and optimizing firewall rules and settings. In that, I have reviewed and optimized the firewall rules by auditing existing rules and simplify and consolidating them with applying the best practices and the and most effective rules. I have write in a firewall rules to uh, maintain the integrity and integrity of the organizations. And fifth, monitor the system health. And in that, I set up a monitoring system to check the performance and health of the systems. In that, I use SW Info to watch this monitor the system health. And sixth, I develop compliance documents and create documentation to support the compliance audit. In that, I developed comprehensive documents, including policies and the assessment training. It's most important in that well-trained teammates. It's really helpful to maintain the compliance documents and support audits and ensure the regulatory adherence and enhance the ongoing compliance efforts. And sixth, I gathered user feedback via Google Form and analyze the response and identify the performance of issues and collaborate with the development teams and implement targeted improvement on user insight. Seventh, I research on AI advancements, and I stay update and advance in AI and cybersecurity. In that, I have researched successfully on AI advancement in cybersecurity by learning about AI-powered threat detections, behavior analysis, and automated incident response. And also, I have learned NLP while engaging with the resource like article, online course, and industry experts to adapt to evolving trends and challenges. Now we move forward on the progress. In that, I have mentioned the completed tasks and how I implemented the tasks. In first, I implemented backup and disaster recovery plans, and in that, I consider the data identifications, backup solutions, and recovery strategy. And second is I developed playbook for malwares, phishings, DOS attacks, Trojans, and etc. And inside I have written the roles and responsibility of every teammate when these common attacks occurs. And third point, I reviewed the API security, and also I give light on the authentications, encryption, input validation, and monitoring. And fourth, I successfully reviewed the firewall rules and uh, auditing and simplified the configurations. And in fifth, I successfully monitored the system performance and health by using SW Info, and I identified the potential issues and planned for the ongoing maintenance and alert to ensure the system stability and efficiency. Fourth, I successfully in fourth and now we decide the metrics in the backup and recovery efficiency. I consider the backup success rate and the recovery time objective and the number of recovery test. And in a second playbook implementations, in that I created playbook for different types of security threats, and how much time it will take if some common threats occurs, then how much time team will take to resolve it, and incident resolution time. Yeah, security review. I implement the vulnerability assessment to identify the vulnerability and fix it, and I test API by using checklist of OAPS API testing, and also I consider the rate of successful prevention of authorized and unauthorized access and attacks. The firewalls rules, I write extent rules, reviewed and optimized, and also after that implementation I check the performance and the security, and I consider all over the improvement in overall networks. And in monitoring systems, I uh, I I watch monitor system of their performance, CPU, and the system health, and also effective. I consider effectiveness of alert in identifying the issues, and I successfully uh, able to identify and resolve the system problem. And in develop and compliance documentation, I create complete and clarity of the created documents, and in that I have maintain the effectiveness of this assessment in the identify the gaps, and in that I have mentioned that a training and awareness program is really beneficial for the organizations, and gather user feedbacks. In that I create a Google form to be, uh, gain the feedback of the system performance and their health. From that I got the feedback, so that I can implement improvement of the systems. And research AI advancements, in that I read and study the deep, in that I have understanding to gain a AI and cybersecurity resource, and I gain practical knowledge from YouTube's and by the Medium blogs, and I also saw some videos of industry experts. In challenges I face a backup recovery, it's a minimal disruption while implementing automated backups. In Playbook, it's a little bit harsh to create a detailed actionable playbook for various type of incident. In API recovery review, maintain a strong security measures and emit evolving threats, and evaluate firewalls rules, ensuring change do not disrupt the legitimate traffics, and in monitoring the systems, interpreting the complex system data accurately, and in develop compliance, I keep maintaining the update documentation while changing the regulation. In gather user feedback, I achieve the sufficient and representative the response rate. In research AI advancement, keep I'll keep eye on the updations, and also uh, watch the blogs to update myself. And solution implementation and recovery, I adopt automated systems, schedule backup, and conduct regular recovery drills to ensure the reliabilities. In a playbook development, define the clear loads, use SIM tools and EDR to on and define playbook based on real world testing. API security applied advanced authentication and encryption models. In firewalls, I regularly review the update firewall rules to reflect the change in the network environment and emerging threats, ensuring the optimal performance of the security. And Monitor system establish baseline metrics for normal system performance and set up the alerts for critical parameters to maintain the system and the address issues promptly. In develop compliance requirements, I implement a system from various versions and controls and regular review of policies and procedures that give me ensure that all documented documentation remains updated. In gather users feedback, I use Google Form to collect the feedback and analyze the feedback of the users and update my system performance. In research AI, read the article and blogs, join